Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to download. In the previous video, I said that in the previous short, what I did, in that I said I'll show how to install or download Turbo C++, right? So first, let us go to the Chrome. Double click on the icon. Like this, you will get one window, right? In this, select whatever the through which email you connected to Google Chrome. So I am connected to Chrome through this one, so I am clicking on it. If you won't have, directly you will get the search button or like this window. Okay, this is a Chrome window, actual Chrome window, where you can type text. Say for example, like this I symbol you will get, and you, if you put on that text bar and click, you will get the cursor which is blinking on the text bar. Okay, in the previously I have done this action. So previously whatever the actions made by you can be are displayed in the down for your help. Okay, so whatever you want in this, you can select that. So here I am selecting Turbo C++ download. Click on it. Like this, you will get one more window. In this, you will get whatever the search contents for typed by you. Though based on that, you will get the result in the Chrome window. Okay, in this, just you have to sorry, just you have to observe which one you have to click. Say here I am clicking this. I downloaded Turbo C++ from this site. If you click on it, you will get like this screen. After that, in that you will get like this steps, and here you are having download Turbo C++ button, and some steps. Based on these steps, you can install or download the Turbo C++ into your system. As I already downloaded it, I can't do it once again for because you will get some memory allocation, what we'll say, mistake errors you will get. Okay, so after downloading and all, the one setup wizard you will get with some steps. Okay, if you complete that setup and all. Okay, so after all you completed, then go outside and you will get one icon like this is the icon for Turbo C++ for Windows 7. If you click on it, right click. If you right click on it, you can see like this pop up menu, and click on properties. You can understand where it is saved. Okay, target, starting in like this, you will get one window. In that you can see the path, means where the Turbo C++ is downloaded into your system, at what location. Okay, so click on cross. Now click on this icon two times. You will get like this window. Like this, you will get the editor, text editor, and also it is the compiler also. You can compile and execute the programs which are written in this text window, editor window. This is the menu bar, and this is the text editor part where you can what we say, where you can write the programs. Okay, first I am showing how the main screen will be. Click on this with your mouse, file. You will get like this options. If you click on new, you will get the window in this way. Okay, then here whatever you want, means whatever not, there will be some syntax and all, everything to write a program of C++. In the next videos we will see it. Okay, so if you want to come out of this Turbo C++, click on the file again, and at last you will have the quit command. Okay, quit. Then it comes to the normal Windows desktop. Okay, and to access, if your mouse is not working properly or anything else, you can use the shortcut keys, or which you will have shortcut keys, so that you can use directly keyboard without mouse to open the file menu and to save it and to create a new one. Everything you can do using the keyboard shortcut keys. Some other time I'll say that also for you. Okay, if you have any doubts or suggestions, specify that in the comment section. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Computer Worlds hyphen R for R5R. Okay.